morning students. Today we will study class 7 and your exercise 20b. In our previous class we have completed exercise 20a. Now we will study your exercise 20b. And the first question in this exercise is given: a rectangular grassy plot is 75 meter long and 60 meter broad. The first question is, grassy plot is 75 meter long. It means that length is your 75 meter and the breadth is your 60 meter. The length is 75 meter and the breadth is 60 meter. It has a path of width 2.5 meter. After that, path with width is your 2.5 meter. Now the figure of this question is, this is your rectangular field. This is your rectangular field, which is, this length is your 75 meter and this one is your 60 meter. It has a grassy plot in it which is of width 2.5 meter, right? The width is your 2.5 meter, or it is given here, sorry, 2 meter, not 2.5 meter. This is your only 2 meter. What we have to find? We have to find here, find the area of path and the cost of constructing it at rupees 125 per meter square, right? First of all, name the plot P, Q, R, S. Then A, B, C and D. We have to find first of all, we have to find the area. Area of the plot. Area of plot will be 75 multiplied by 60. 75 multiplied by 60 will be your, when you multiply 75 multiplied by 60 will be your 4500 meter square, right? Area of plot will be, yes. Now width of the plot is given to you 2 meter. After that, first we will take AB. AB equals to 75 minus 2. 75 minus 2 into 2, because minus 2 multiplied by 2. This one is also 75, this one is also 75. So we have taken 2 multiplied by 2. Will be 75 minus 4. 71 meter. After that, AB we have taken. Now we will take PR. PR or BD, whatever you want to take. Sorry, BD equals to 60 minus 2 into 2. 60 minus 2 to the 4 will be your 56 meter. After that, now we will find area of rectangle A, B, C and D. First of all, we have find PQRS, then AB and ABCD. 71 multiplied by 56 will be 3976 meter square. After that, area of path. Area of path equals to area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD, right? Area of rectangle PQRS is your 4500 minus 3976. When you minus this, will be your 524 meter square. After that, we have to find the cost of constructing at rupees 125. Total cost of constructing equals to 125 multiplied by 524. When you multiply this, will be your 65,500 rupees. 65,500. This is your answer of question number 1. Now, what you have to do? Question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From question number, homework is you have to do from question 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we will discuss question number 11. The question number 11 is a rectangular lawn is 70 meter by 50 meter. Has two roads, each 5 meter wide, running through its middle. Right? First, now let us see question number 11. Question number 11 is this is your figure. A, B, C, D, I, L, J, K, E, F, G, H, M, N, O, P. Right? This area is given to you 70 meter. And this is given to you 50 meter, right? We have to find running through its middle, one parallel to its length and the other parallel to its breadth. Find the cost of constructing the road at rupees 120 per meter square. We have to find the construction. So let length of rectangular park 70 meter. After that, breadth of rectangular park will be your 50 meter, right? Length and breadth is given, so area of rectangular park will be 70 multiplied by 50, right? 7 5s are 35. 3500 meter square will be your area. Area of rectangular park is this. After that, area of, now you will find the area of road, right? Area of road, which is EFGH. Area of road, EFGH, right? Area of road, EFGH. 70 meter multiplied by 5 meter equals to 350 meter square. This one. After that, area of road IJKL will be IJKL 50 meter multiplied by 5 meter, will be 250 meter square. After that, clearly area of MNOP. MNOP will be common to EFGH and IJKL. So it will be common. So area of MNOP will be 5 multiplied by 5. It means 125 meter square. After that, area of road. Area of road. Total load, right? Area of roads will be area of equals to area EFGH, then plus area IJKL, then minus area MNOP. Okay, you have to do. After that, EFGH, area of EFGH is 350 minus 200 plus 250, then minus 125 will be 125. It will be only 25. 5 5s are 25. Here is mistake. Minus 25 equals to 575 meter square. After that, it is given that then in the question it is given that you have to construct. In the question it is given that you have to constructing the road at rupees 120 per meter square. Cost of constructing the road. Cost of constructing the road will be 100 and it is given in your question 120 per meter square. 120 multiplied by 575. 120 multiplied by 575 will be your rupees 69,000 is your answer. This is your answer of question number 11. Now you have to do question number 11. I have explained you. You have to do question number 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. All questions are same. You have to do question number 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Right? You have to do this and your exercise has been completed. Exercise 20B. We will discuss next exercise in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.